Hey there, science enthusiasts! Get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the heart of our cells. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of a pivotal process in energy production, the citric acid cycle, also known as the Krebs cycle. Before we dive in, let's quickly set the stage with a brief overview of glucose metabolism. Imagine glucose as the premium fuel that powers our body's engine. It's what keeps us moving, thinking, and thriving. Now, why is the citric acid cycle so crucial? Picture it as the powerhouse of the cell, where biochemical magic happens to transform nutrients into ATP, the currency of energy that our bodies rely on. This cycle is the beating heart of cellular respiration, providing the energy we need to tackle everything from casual strolls to intense workouts. In this video, we'll unravel each step of the citric acid cycle, explore its vital role in energy production, and uncover how it connects to other essential processes in the body. So, buckle up, stay curious, and let's dive into the mesmerizing world of cellular metabolism. Welcome to the heart of cellular energy production. Let's begin our journey with the formation of acetyl-CoA, the critical gateway to the citric acid cycle. Our story starts with pyruvate, the end product of glycolysis. Pyruvate, a 3-carbon molecule, undergoes a crucial transformation to become acetyl-CoA, a 2-carbon molecule with an attached coenzyme. This transformation is orchestrated by the mighty enzyme complex known as pyruvate dehydrogenase. Imagine it as a molecular workshop where pyruvate is decarboxylated, releasing a molecule of carbon dioxide and producing an ADH in the process. The end product, acetyl-CoA, is a versatile molecule that not only fuels the citric acid cycle but also plays a pivotal role in fatty acid synthesis and other metabolic pathways. The mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell, are the site of action where acetyl-CoA works its magic. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into each step of this remarkable cycle and uncover the secrets of how our cells generate energy. This is where the magic of metabolism happens. Now, let's move on to the next crucial step in the citric acid cycle, the formation of citrate. In this step, our newly formed acetyl-CoA combines with oxaloacetate, a 4-carbon molecule, to produce citrate, a 6-carbon molecule. This combination is like a molecular handshake, a momentous event that kicks off the cycle. The enzyme responsible for this important reaction is citrate synthase. Think of citrate synthase as the master conductor of this biochemical orchestra, ensuring that acetyl-CoA and oxaloacetate meet and combine efficiently. This formation of citrate is a pivotal moment, setting the stage for the subsequent reactions that will extract high-energy electrons and produce crucial energy carriers like NAD and fat. Each step builds on this initial combination, driving the cycle forward. Water is the facilitator here, stepping in to hydrolyze the thioester bond in acetyl-CoA. This clever maneuver not only helps in the efficient formation of citrate but also releases coenzyme CoSH, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Picture water as the secret agent who quietly but crucially sets the stage for this vital reaction, making sure our cellular engines keep purring. And now, let's dive into the heart of the citric acid cycle. Prepare to be amazed as we journey through the intricate steps of this biochemical powerhouse. And now, let's dive into the heart of the citric acid cycle. Prepare to be amazed as we journey through the intricate steps of this biochemical powerhouse. Now, let's make remembering the order of the citric acid cycle a breeze. Introducing the Can I Keep Selling Seashells for Money officer mnemonic. CAN stands for citrate, the starting molecule. I represents isocitrate, the next step. KEEP is for alpha-ketoglutarate, where we lose our first carbon dioxide. Selling refers to succinyl-CoA, where we generate our first high-energy molecule. GTP, seashells is for succinate, a 4-carbon molecule, for represents fumarate, an unsaturated molecule. Money is for malate, one step closer to regeneration. Officer stands for oxaloacetate, our starting point once again. So, just remember Can I Keep Selling Seashells for Money officer, and you will have the citric acid cycle down pat. Get ready for a fascinating ride through the steps of the citric acid cycle, where every molecule plays a critical role in keeping our cells energized and our bodies functioning. Now let's dive into the next fascinating step of the citric acid cycle, the conversion of citrate to isocitrate. This step involves a clever rearrangement of the citrate molecule, transforming it into isocitrate. This process is orchestrated by the enzyme aconitase, which acts like a skilled molecular artist, shifting atoms to create a new structure. Water steps in to hydrolyze the thioester bond in acetyl-CoA. This clever move not only helps form citrate efficiently, but also releases coenzyme CoSH, making sure everything runs as smoothly as possible. Picture water as the secret agent, quietly but crucially setting the stage for this vital reaction, ensuring our cellular engines keep humming. With isocitrate now formed, the citric acid cycle is ready to move to the next exciting stage. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover the intricate steps that power our cells. With isocitrate now formed, the citric acid cycle is ready to move to the next exciting stage. Next up in our journey through the citric acid cycle is the oxidation of isocitrate. This step is a crucial turning point in the cycle. In this step, isocitrate undergoes oxidation to form alpha-ketoglutarate. This reaction is expertly catalyzed by the enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase. Think of this enzyme as a skilled alchemist, converting isocitrate into a more reactive form. During this process, isocitrate is not just transformed, it's also decarboxylated, meaning a carbon dioxide molecule is released. Additionally, the reaction produces NAD, a high-energy molecule that plays a pivotal role in the electron transport chain. As we continue our journey through the citric acid cycle, let's explore the formation of succinyl-CoA, a critical step brimming with energy and transformation. In this pivotal step, alpha-ketoglutarate undergoes oxidation to form succinyl-CoA. This transformation is expertly catalyzed by the alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex. Imagine this enzyme complex as a sophisticated molecular machine, executing a precise and multifaceted reaction. During this process, alpha-ketoglutarate is decarboxylated, releasing a molecule of carbon dioxide and producing an ADH, a high-energy electron carrier that is vital for ATP production. To help remember this critical step, think of the mnemonic: a kettle goes steaming crazy. Alpha-ketoglutarate is transformed by alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Kettle through oxidation goes into succinyl steaming CoA crazy. This imagery underscores the transformation process and the key players involved. With succinyl-CoA formed and an ADH produced, the citric acid cycle is ready to proceed to its next transformative stage. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the intricate steps that power our cells. As we progress through the citric acid cycle, let's explore the fascinating formation of succinate, a key step that powers cellular energy transformation. In this critical step, succinyl-CoA is converted into succinate by the enzyme succinyl-CoA synthetase, a remarkable molecular craftsman. This enzyme removes the CoA group from succinyl-CoA, reshaping it into succinate. During this reaction, a high-energy phosphate bond is formed, which is transferred to GDP to generate GTP, or alternatively to ADP to produce ADP. This is a pivotal moment in the cycle, where usable energy is generated. To help remember this vital step, think of the mnemonic: succulent CoA generates succulent energy. Succinyl succulent CoA is transformed, generating GTP or ATP succulent energy and forming succinate. With succinate now formed and energy produced, the citric acid cycle is poised to advance to its next crucial step. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover the detailed stages that drive our cells. As we delve deeper into the citric acid cycle, our journey leads us to the vital oxidation of succinate to fumarate, an indispensable step in cellular respiration. In this crucial step, the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase takes center stage. Picture this enzyme as a dedicated artisan, orchestrating the oxidation of succinate to form fumarate. Throughout this process, Fab-flavin adenine dinucleotide is reduced to Fab, channeling electrons into the electron transport chain essential for ATP synthesis. As we continue to unravel the citric acid cycle, we arrive at the hydration of fumarate to malate, a critical step marked by simplicity and efficiency. In this transformation, the enzyme fumarase takes the spotlight. Imagine fumarase as a skilled gardener, carefully adding a water molecule to fumarate, converting it into malate. To help remember this step, think of the mnemonic: fumarate falls into a malate lake. Fumarate undergoes hydration, falls into to form malate, a malate with the addition of water lake. As we near the final stages of the citric acid cycle, let's explore the oxidation of malate to oxaloacetate, an essential step that propels the cycle forward. In this crucial step, the enzyme malate dehydrogenase takes the helm. Picture this enzyme as a masterful conductor, orchestrating the oxidation of malate to form oxaloacetate. During this process, NAD+ is reduced to NADH, a high-energy electron carrier that plays a pivotal role in ATP production in the electron transport chain. The formation of oxaloacetate is critical, as it combines with acetyl-CoA to restart the citric acid cycle, ensuring a continuous flow of energy production. To help remember this step, think of the mnemonic: mighty oxen create NAD, malate mighty undergoes oxidation oxen to form oxaloacetate, producing NADH in the process create NADH.
And that wraps up our journey through the citric acid cycle. I hope you enjoyed exploring the fascinating steps and the crucial role each molecule plays in powering our cells. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to PMAze for more exciting biochemistry content. Hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we post a new video.